Why are there so many songs about rainbows?
I think I was a boy who loved drawing so much. There's no proper school actually to teach you painting. Actually, you don't really need to learn how to paint. You just paint, really. We all loved drawing as a kid, and I just didn't grow up with it. I had calls from friends telling me they are doing shows here, so I was envious of the art career. So I thought I'd just quit my job, took out all my savings and rented a room for 30 days and painted 40 paintings in 30 days. If I can complete 40 paintings in 30 days, I can do anything at all. The thing about 3D artists is we don't plan what we paint, we just let it flow out. When you force yourself to do art, lots of subconscious mind that you can't control just lets out, and they're all in the canvases. So my friend thought, like, why not we share this with everyone else? So since then, every month it's a new artist doing it, every month 3D artists. So yeah, it helped a lot, you know. Okay, the challenges as an artist, it's not that you just sit down there and you do it. Sometimes it's very much of inspiration or how you feel. And the funny thing I realized is most artists, I mean not all the artists, that they have to go through some hardship and through some very negative. I've passed the negative side, I'm more on the positive side now, but will I create more good art as I did before? You know, that's the dilemma which I struggle. What I'm doing with my paintings now is from my new collection, which I plan is going to be 2011. It's going to be pages from the comic. It's from panels which I blow up in 6 feet by 6 feet canvases. In 5 years, I hope I'll have an international publisher. And my ultimate one, which is to people, is very unbelievable. For me, I think it's achievable to be the first Malaysian to win the first Oscar. So 5 years, I'll be winning my first Oscar, and I'll be selling my I See So Many Butterflies around the world. So, yeah. I would describe myself as a very eccentric person, egoistic and emotionally very emotional. I can't explain in words, but rising above for me is being the first person to rise and see this vision, you know, being up and able to breathe the first air, you know. So for me, rise above is that.
This has been a Wolfang Digital video presentation.